Crescent City CrossFit, and today we're going to talk about the push-up. I'm going to give you a few tips and tricks and what we see wrong in the gym and how to correct it. So first thing I'm going to talk about is what we call the soccer mom push-up. When they do the soccer mom push-up, their elbows are out wide, their neck is strained, and it's just bad. Ladies, we got to tuck those elbows in tighter than you get your kids in that minivan, and we're going to go down. No, that's wrong too. What are you doing? So go ahead and snake for me, JC. No, so wrong. I'm not sure what muscles he's using, but it's not the right ones. So I'm going to stop you right there and I'm going to show you the right way to do it. So the first thing we want is a nice hand foundation. So they're right under our shoulder, shoulder width apart. Perfect. Our feet, we're in the balls of our feet and they're nice and close together. Perfect. When we go down in that push-up, we keep our elbows nice and close to our body. Our body is rigid in the down position, and when we come up, we squeeze our glutes and our abs, core is engaged, and we're going back down, keeping those elbows nice and tight. Perfect, and we explode up. Outstanding. So those are my tips and tricks for the correct push-up. I'm Haley at Crescent City CrossFit, and we'll see you at the gym.